How to install your Ultimate Shield tempered glass screen protector. In the package, you get an installation guide, a pair of dust stickers, a wet cloth, a microfiber cloth, and the tempered glass screen protector. Use the wet cloth and microfiber cloth to clean the screen. Use the dust stickers to pick up any dust particles. Peel the protective layer off the adhesive side. Use the dust stickers again if needed. Carefully align the tempered glass and slowly lower it onto the screen, whilst making sure that all cutouts are correctly aligned. Press the center of the glass and it will automatically adhere to the screen. Use the microfiber cloth to push out any remaining bubbles. If any dust particles get caught between the tempered glass and phone screen, you can slowly lift up the protector from the corner, place the dust sticker underneath, and remove the dust particles.